Well, it's a beautiful day here in Illinois. I've been wanting to pressure wash some stuff for a while now, and it's been too cold. Pressure washing is kind of therapeutic to me. Clean stuff up, make it nicer, ignore the rest of the world for a while. I haven't been able to do that, so things have been stacking up with things I need to get pressure washed. A few things. I just got these slots. They got vintage tires on them. Remington wide style belted, and I think they're white walls on the inside. He's gonna clean these up, knock some dirt and some mold off of them. Along with those came these Corvette wheels. Old mower that I got running, parked by the curb for free, ready for the trash man. Got it running, no blade, but it runs like a top, and it's dirty. I'm gonna clean it up. Gonna do a little pressure washing, and you're more than welcome to watch. This is what I got to work with beforehand. They didn't have mold on them, or too much mold growing on them. Alright, the results of the pressure wash party number 2 are, these need more work, but I was throwing white paint everywhere, paint flakes everywhere, and I don't like that, and I don't think the neighbor would either, because look at that. This turned out pretty good. Could use some more scrubbing, but for an old mower that I found on the side of the road, looking pretty good. These look about as good as I thought they would, and you can hear them hissing. They're both leaking air. This one around the beads, and I don't know where this one is. It's not around this bead, might be around the back one. Doesn't really matter. Yep, back bead. Usually you break them loose and clean them, they'll come back. Still wouldn't recommend driving on these, but look at those white walls. This one's even better. Not as yellow. Again, you can take them off and turn them around, they'd probably be done. They're old, crusty. These turned out good. They still are curbed up pretty good there, and there. But if that wouldn't have happened, the paint's still good on them, clear coat's still decent on them. Would have been a good set of turbines. But it's starting to rain now, so I'm going to get my air compressor in and my pressure washer in. Worked out pretty good. Last time I had my friend John with me. He's not with us anymore. Today, he's still alive. I mean, he's still around. He just didn't make it today to help me pressure wash. Anyway, it's interesting to me to see what I've got when you get the dirt and everything off of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. See you later.